So I'm joined here by new Leicester Tigers signing Charlie Clare. Charlie, great to have you here today. What made you get involved with Didi Rugby as an ambassador?
Well, I was asked by a friend of mine who was running the Bedfordshire group, and I thought it was just a great thing that was going on to get all kids involved in rugby. And you can see now there's about 120 kids coming to the event today, and it's just great to get everyone involved at such a young age.
Important to get kids active and learning new skills, Charlie, but also the confidence, gaining confidence thing is a big thing for Didi Rugby, and is that something you see as well?
Yeah, definitely. I think there's so many qualities that rugby brings to people, leadership, the camaraderie of the sport. So the earlier you can get that involved, it's only going to be better for the children.
How early did you start your rugby career?
I've got two older sisters, so I think as soon as Dad realised that I was the boy, he just took me down. So it took me down to the local rugby club. So I actually don't really know.
And as we just touched on the amount of numbers here today at Hinkley Rugby Club for Didi's annual presentation day, it's fantastic to see so many people enjoying it, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's and obviously the weather's absolutely stunning today. So yeah, I think it's going to be a really great day.
Back at Leicester Tigers, how exciting is the season coming up for you?
Oh yeah, it's been sort of a dream come true really. I left there and hadn't achieved the goals I wanted to, so getting another opportunity to do that is fantastic. So really looking forward to it.
Great stuff, thanks for your time.
Cheers.